Hello, this is Raisa Rahman Rodela and my other team members are Zihadul Karim Zenon and Jimmati Arabi. We are glad to share that Muhammad Humayun Kabir Mehdi and Muhammad Farhadul Islam have been respectively assigned to guide us as an RA and ST. Welcome to our team presentation of Task 1. So we decided to work on detection of antisocial comments from social media platforms using NLP and categorize the antisocial intensity level. The growth of social media is causing the emergence of hate speech, cyberbullying, harassment, and so on. In order to prevent these crimes, we want to use NLP and machine learning to detect such comments on social media which have become progressively important. The motive of our research is to create a dataset of antisocial comments from social media platforms and develop a classifier model as well as to detect whether the comments are social or antisocial quickly and effectively. Moreover, if we could label the intensity degree, people will be able to identify how much toxic those comments are. We have explored some papers to understand the concept. The first paper that built our interest in the field was a machine learning approach to classify antisocial Bengali comments on social media. The paper demonstrates that the methodology and ways of using NLP to detect antisocial comments. The second paper, Detection of Depression Severity Using Social Media Post on Mental Health Study Using Natural Language Processing Techniques, consists how we can differentiate the level based on their intensity. As per the paper, to classify the antisocial intensity level, we have to follow Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, also known as DSM-5, which they use to analyze the depression level. Our work plan consists of 5 stages. Initially, we will collect the data from public social media such as Facebook, Twitter with the help of export comments tool. Secondly, we will pre-process the data, which includes removing stop words, streaming and lemmatization. Next, based on sentiment analysis, we will do the feature extractions and process the comments, which include train and test dataset. Then by using NLP's binary classification, we will classify the social and antisocial comments based on the antisocial keywords. Finally, we will have to make our data authentic with the help of an expert in mental health or psychology field. Thank you. Now the rest of the presentation will be presented by my fellow teammates.
Hello, my name is Zihadul Karim Zenon and I'm going to explain the challenges of the task. Detecting antisocial comments from social media platforms and levelizing their intensity degree is an important and challenging task. There are several challenges that we need to consider in order to achieve accurate and reliable results. Firstly, false identification is a major challenge in this task. Antisocial comment can be hidden behind sarcasm or irony, making it difficult to distinguish between from harmless comment. This can lead to a false positive or false negative, which can affect the reliability of the results. Secondly, the nonsense of language can pose a challenge in detecting antisocial comments. Slang and informal language are commonly used on social media platforms, which can be difficult to interpret accurately. Additionally, the same word and phrase can have different meaning in different contexts, making it challenging to accurately label the intensity of the comment. Thirdly, the complexity of social intersection is another challenge that we need to consider. Social media platforms are often used to express opinions and engage in discussion, and sometimes it can be difficult to distinguish between a healthy debate and an antisocial comment. This can make it challenging to accurately label the intensity of the comment. Finally, data scarcity is a challenge that we need to address. It can be difficult to obtain a sufficient amount of label data to train machine learning models to detect antisocial comments. This can lead to overfitting or underfitting of the model, affecting its accuracy and reliability. In summary, detecting antisocial comments from social media platforms and levelizing their intensity is a challenging task that requires us to consider several factors as false identification, nonsense of language, complexity of social interaction, and data scarcity. Now my friend will discuss the rest.
Hello, I'm Arvi. Today I'm gonna explain conclusion. In conclusion, detecting antisocial comments and labeling their intensity degree can help prevent negativity from social media. By classifying harmful text, people can become more aware of the types of comments that are unacceptable and take action to address them. Labeling the intensity pattern of antisocial comments can also help people identify the level of toxicity and respond appropriately. This can create a safer and more positive environment on social media platforms. Early detection of antisociality can also help people avoid using such words or text in the first place. By understanding the consequences of their actions, people can become more mindful to their online behavior and contribute to a more positive and inclusive online community. Overall, detecting antisocial comments, leveling their intensity degree, and promoting awareness of their consequences are all essential steps in preventing negativity from social media. By working together to address these issues, we can create a better and more positive online experience for everyone. And that's it. Thank you.
Finally, these are the materials that we used for the preparation of this presentation. Thank you everyone.